It's about my early life of crime in the 70s, 80s, and 90s. Well, I was a poor East London kid, brought up in a council house, not a great deal of love shown. I didn't really know my brothers and sisters, they had all left home. That's how I was brought up. And then I followed into the family business, and within 4 years, I was in prison. Basically, the 70s and 80s, I co-owned a transport company in East London, and we done a few naughty things. We had a few dodgy loads coming into us. And then I moved into cross-channel booze in vans, and then I moved into cross-channel booze by the full load, smuggled into the country. I got 5 years for it. And the story is just my story of survival. There was corruption within customs and the prison service. And as that progressed, unfortunately, I had family members betraying me, and it split the family apart forever. That's what the book's about. It's about how I survived that betrayal, how I survived customs breaking the law to catch me breaking the law, how I watched customs thieve off me. It's a surreal story that I think needs to be told. Massive change. What changes? Empathy is the big one. Massive. I mean, as a younger man, I didn't have any. No empathy. And probably that's the one thing years in prison, that's the one thing it taught me. And it was genuine, and I did learn it. I helped underprivileged people, and I quite enjoyed it. The other thing, of course, was love. I found love at the end of it all. Now, the problem I was having, I had 68,000 words of memory with no story. And I was searching YouTube and Facebook, joining different groups, and I was going round in circles. I needed one person to guide me through the process of turning all those memories into a readable story. And that person was you. You turned it into a story. I thought it was good before you'd done your editing. After the editing, I had a story, and it was like reading it for the first time. It was the same story, but it was told in the right way. And that's why I needed the Memoir Workshop. I needed someone to make sense, to make some order out of the chaos. That's what I needed.